Greatest common factor. So when you factor out, you have to ask yourself first for every problem, do all terms have the same factor? If yes, you must take out the number that they share. So let's take a look at the first example, 18x squared plus 12x. So first I'm going to list all the factors of 18. So I have 1 times 18, 2 times 9, 3 times 6, and that's it. And all the factors of 12, I have 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. Okay, so compare between the factors of 12 and of 18. I have 6. It's the biggest number, biggest factor that both share. So I'm going to take out 6 right here. So 6 times 3 gives you 18. X squared, I can rewrite them as x times x 2 times, right there. And then 12, I can rewrite it as 6 times 2x. Okay, there's only one x on here. So let's circle what they have in common between these two. I already know that they share 6. Okay, so I could circle 6. And now I look at the variable x. Oh yeah, they can share 1x right here. So the 6x is what they have in common. I'm going to rewrite them right here as 6x. Whatever that left over that I don't circle, that means they're different from each other. I'm going to leave it in the parentheses. The first term, I have 3x left. The second term, I'm only going to have the number 2. So I say plus 2. The sign stayed exactly the same. Okay, so that's how you factor the first example. Let's move on to the second example. I have 2x squared plus 14x. Let's factor this one out. First, we need to look at 2 and the 14. Okay, so I know that 2 can go to both numbers, 2 and 14. So 2, up here I'm going to put 2 times 1, give you 2. X squared means x times x. When in doubt, expand them out. Okay, 14, I can rewrite them as 2 times 7. Here's have 1x, so I'm just going to rewrite 1x. So I see between these two, 2 is the number that they share, the biggest number they share. And then on the variable, I have 1x, I can take away from each. Okay, so 2x is what they're going to share. I'm going to rewrite them big outside. Inside, I'm going to include everything that they don't share, which is 1x on the first term. The sign stays the same. On the second term, I have 7. Okay, so we have factored out 2x squared plus 14x into 2x, parenthesis, x plus 7. Okay, 1x, you can just erase a 1 right there. So my final answer is 2x times x plus 7. Alright, so that's how you do the greatest common factor. Find all the numbers that they share first, all the variables that they share. Take them out, everything else you leave in the parentheses.